Diagnose Chromebook boot issues with Chrome OS Diagnostics. The Chrome OS Preboot Diagnostics Tool locates hardware issues that might prevent a system from booting properly. Running the tool can assist with the following: diagnosing hardware issues that might be preventing your system from booting up, deciding whether to repair or recover your device, enabling support agents to recommend next steps for troubleshooting boot problems. Attention! The Chromebook Diagnostics Tool only works with Chrome OS 93 and later. To open the Preboot Diagnostics, first make sure the Chromebook is turned off. Then remove any connected devices. Hold down the Escape key, Refresh button, and Power button at the same time. When the recovery screen displays, release the Escape key and the Refresh and Power buttons. Use the down arrow on your keypad to navigate to the Launch Diagnostics option, then press the Enter key. Use the up and down arrows and Enter key to select the component you want to check: storage, quick memory check, or full memory check. The quick memory check scans the random access memory, or RAM, once in less than a minute. Use this test before the full memory test to detect serious memory malfunctions. To return to the main menu after a test, navigate to the Back option and then press the Enter key. If you receive a Memory Test Failed message, this might indicate failing hardware. If the quick memory test succeeds but the Chromebook doesn't perform optimally, run the full test. The full memory check runs multiple test patterns to detect transient errors. The length of the test varies depending on gigabytes of RAM. The test usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. If you receive a Memory Test Failed message, this might indicate failing hardware. In this case, the Chromebook might need hardware replacement via a Return Merchandise Authorization, also known as an RMA. If the device fails to boot, a storage test is a quick way to rule out whether or not the device storage is the cause. This test provides a percentage of the component wearing level, also known as the lifetime of the storage used. Interpreting the storage test results for your device differ depending on two types of storage that your device may have: Embedded Multimedia Card Storage, or eMMC, or Non-Volatile Memory Express Storage, or NVMe. If your device has eMMC storage, you'll receive a screen that looks like this. Look for the Lifetime Estimation B section of the results screen. The device lifetime used is an indication of the lifetime usage of the drive. And if no errors are present during the test, then you will most likely need to perform a hardware reset, power wash, and recovery for the device. You can refer to jedec.org for eMMC device lifetime estimation storage codes other than 0x00. If your device has NVMe storage, you will receive a screen that looks like this. The percentage used section is similar to the device lifetime used percentage explained earlier in the eMMC storage results. The percentage used is an indication of the lifetime usage of the drive, and if no errors are present during the test, then you will most likely need to perform a hardware reset, power wash, and recovery for the device. Look for the critical warning code section. 0x00 indicates normal operation. Any other code might indicate a hardware issue that requires a power wash, hardware reset, and recovery. Refer to Smart Attribute Wiki for NVMe storage critical warning codes other than 0x00. When ready, navigate to the Power Off option and press the Enter key to turn off the Chromebook. Use the diagnostic test results to determine next steps for resolving boot issues, such as performing a power wash, hardware reset, and recovery. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, contact support for additional assistance. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.